German Navy frigate at combat warship ng Germany dumaong sa pier sa Maynila. Etong dalawang barkong pandigma na to yung nagpataranta sa Chinese Navy matapos dikitan. Anong ginawa ng China? Wala nga. Tapos kusa pang lumayas ang China sa dadaanan ng Germany. Dito ay nakasahan tuloy ng Chinese Foreign Ministry ang Germany. Inilalagay raw sa delikadong sitwasyon ang buhay ng mga incheck. Dumaan rin kasi to sa Bao de Masinloc na sakop ng West Philippine Sea pero walang nakitang China Coast Guard. Baka binalaan na ng China na magsilayas kayo dyan kapwa ko mga incheck may kalaban tayong dadaan. O diba, pag sa iba mga duwag yang China.
我们尊重各国依据中国法律和包括联合国海洋法公约在内的国际法在相关海域享有的航行权利，但坚决反对打着航行自由的旗号挑衅和危害中国的主权和安全。
Agad namang pinalagan ng commander ng German Navy ang paratang ng Chinese. Anong nilalagay sa delikado ang buhay ng mga incheck? Wala raw ginagawang dangerous action ang Germany. Dumaan lang ito. Papaanong nilabag nito ang karapatan ng China?
Exercising our right to navigate on the high seas and international waters. Obviously, we got some attention from the Chinese Navy, but this was somehow, I would say, safe and secure.
Pinamukha naman ng German ambassador to the Philippines na obob tong mga Chinese. Anong pinagsasabi ng China na ang West Philippine Sea ay Chinese territory? Ni isa raw batas wala daw makakapagsabi na sa China yan. Suportado nga ng Germany ang Pilipinas sa paggiit ng karapatan nito sa West Philippine Sea. Matatanda ang kinakatakutan ang Germany noong World War II.
Germany is far away from the Philippines, but this water is important to us. And China, I might recall, is also sending its navy to other parts of the world which are not close to China. And every claim by China that this is their waters is internationally, it is wrong from the standpoint of international law.
Handa ang Germany ipaglaban ng Pilipinas kung kinakailangan. Dapat raw mapanatili ang free at open Indo-Pacific doon na dinidiktahan ng mga Chinese. Nagpapasalamat naman ang Germany sa warm welcome na ibinigay ng mga Pilipino.
This Indo-Pacific Deployment 24 is a clear symbol of Germany's commitment to the international rules-based order, to the freedom of navigation, to the freedom of passage everywhere in the world. This is why these ships, both of them, are here and why this visit is so important. As you know, Germany is the third biggest trading nation in the world and is very much dependent on the freedom of navigation, on free shipping routes all over the world, but also and particularly in the South China Sea. So again, this is to underline our commitment to the international rules-based order. This is to underline our solidarity with our Filipino friends, with all those countries and partners who protect and promote the international rules-based order and the freedom of navigation. Let me say thank you once again and welcome once again to our German friends from the Navy. I'm sure they will experience Filipino hospitality in the
Maraming sumusuporta sa Pilipinas pagdating sa gulo. Sana lang talaga pag dumating ang oras na magkagera pero wag naman sana may aasahan tayong tulong mula sa kaibigan nating mga bansa. Kayo, anong masasabi nyo tungkol dito? I-komento sa baba yung salobi.